Hey guys, it's Tuesday, May 17th. Hope everybody's doing good. Need everybody to do me a favor if you can, or if you want to. Please hit the like and subscribe button. All that does is just let me know that there's people that's out there that's getting help from my information, and I hope that's what's happening. So if you would please do that, be eternally grateful. I'm going to start out today with the pound dollar. Of course, as of yesterday, we had a move up, and it hasn't made a sell signal yet, even though it has retraced. The 4-hour is still in sell mode, as it never made a buy mode, so it could continue down. There's a couple of wicks here I think it's got to take care of before it heads down. But at some point it should be tomorrow, possibly heading back down, make a lower low, and then set up a buy opportunity on the pound dollar. So got to be patient. On the Aussie dollar, it's in, let's see, has that changed? It's coming back. It made a buy yesterday, ran up. Now it's retracing. If it can come back down into here a little bit, that would be a good buy opportunity. If it can come back down in there. And who knows? Nobody knows. It may or may not. But if it's going to be a buy, there's going to be a good opportunity right there to go long. 4 hours probably still in sell mode. Yes, it is. But it has made a return up, come back down. It's come back into that where it made that up move. So we got to keep an eye on that. That'll be a low risk buy on the Aussie dollar if it can get down there. Even if we're wrong, we're going to be where it's just $5, $8 is all we're going to lose. So if you want to take that, Aussie dollar, the Euro CAD. It's in buy mode on the 1 hour. It's set up. We need to pull back right down in here somewhere to get the buy opportunity, and hopefully it doesn't run up, but it could. And go with that. As 4 hours just now made a buy signal. If it can pull back down into that candle right there, that'd be great for a buy opportunity on the Euro CAD. Low risk trade. That's what we're looking for. The CAD yen made a sell. You had a couple opportunities to get in short, and now you're in the money a little bit on the 1 hour. 4 hour does not have a sell yet, but there's a sell from back over here where it came up once, came up twice, and I'd be very careful if it takes out that, not right here. You stop it if you're in it. That's your stop, that high right there. And then it's going to go higher if it takes that out. On the CAD yen, if you're short, be careful. Hopefully it's going to come back down on the CAD yen. The Aussie yen, 1 hour, there's nothing there yet. Whereas to do the 4 hour, still a sell. Came back up. Would like to come up into there, but it didn't. But it could. This push up could be the one that comes up in there before it sells off. But there's nothing to do right now on the Aussie yen. Nothing to do. Pound odd has made a sell. You had an opportunity, couple opportunities here in steel to get in short on the 1 hour. The 4 hour has no signal yet. So that would be your stop if you've gotten in on the pound odd. That is your stop, that high. Don't put it above it, just put it at it. As it gets up that close, it's going to take it out anyway. That's on the pound Aussie. Pound CAD has made a buy like the Euro CAD has on the 1 hour. Except it did come down a little bit, punch into it. Now the move has started up. The 4 hour has made a buy. Okay, see, now it's come back into it right there. So it may be the start of a buy on the pound CAD. Pound yen made a sell. There was your opportunity to get in either of those two candles, and now you're in some profit on the 1 hour. The 4 hour are still in sell mode. Made a poke up. The thing is, these usually come back up into here before they sell off, so that pound yen still could come up. I mean, it could retrace some because it isn't selling 1 hour, but it could just retrace back down into here somewhere before it turns back up for the sell opportunity. That's on the 4 hour. The 1 hour is in sell mode, but it could just come back down into here again. That's as far as it goes. So you got to be able, if you did get in either one of those candles, protect your profit. As on the pound yen. Euro New Zealand. 4 hour still in buy mode. The 1 hour is in sell mode still. So those are conflicting. So unless this turns around right here and it starts heading back up, then it's going to agree with the 4 hour, which is in a buy mode. Would like to see, this is what I like to see it sell, which would be on the 1 hour. It'd be good. That's in the direction. Come down in here, and we get a buy on the 4 hour. And that's on the Euro New Zealand. Pound New Zealand, same thing. See, you're in the sell, came up to there. If you didn't get in there, if you did, protect profit. 4 hour is in a buy mode, like the Euro New Zealand. Would like to see this pull back down in here. Of course, it did a couple times, so it may not come back down to there. So the Euro New Zealand, nothing to do on that yet either. And the New Zealand yen in a buy mode on the 1 hour has not made a sell signal yet. The 4 hour is pushing back up to where there could be. It could come back up into here before it sells off. So that would agree with the 1 hour going up higher, making a higher high past these, and then our sell signal shows up on New Zealand yen. So there still could be an up move left on that before the 4 hour, I'll show you, which is in a sell mode, says it's time to sell. Hopefully back up into here somewhere where we get our lowest trade on the New Zealand yen. And let's see, the Euro odd is in sell mode. There was your opportunity to get in short, made good money. It's retraced about that whole move on the 4 hour. It's in buy mode. So those are conflicting a little bit, the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So the 4 hour is saying buy. And it could be, it's trying to go down, and would like to see this actually go down. Even though it come poked right back into there, I'd rather have it about right in here. So we had our opportunity there. So I'm thinking this is probably heading up. A lot of wide open space here. So I would think we're probably heading up on the Euro odd. It could be tomorrow for that happens. And then last is Euro yen in sell mode on the 1 hour. It really didn't have a chance. That one candle was it, and now it's gone down. The 4 hour is in a buy mode, so those are conflicting. So the way this ran up, I'd love to see the Euro yen come back down into here and then set up a buy on the 4 hour. And that would help the 1 hour because it would have to come back down into here for your sell. That's on the euro yen. So I hope everybody's protecting their profit if they're in any of these trades. Hopefully you've took half, third, fourth, whatever you want to take off. I take off a half all the time. I don't ever change it. That's because I've learned long enough to, depending on where the daily pivots are for the day, the ranges on those, I take off 60 to 80 depending on the range, half. Then I move my stop. So I want to get that stop moved to break even, or at least a couple dollars on it. And then hopefully it's going to continue in the same direction, and then it's going to make more money. I've already made money, but make more money. That's what we want to do. So I hope everybody has a good night, and plan on another video tomorrow. And also, I got delayed a little bit on the live streams. There's probably not going to be till June. Hopefully the middle of June, about a month from now. Be doing live streams in the morning. I'm on Eastern time in the States, so it'd be on about 8:15, 8:30, somewhere in there, and it'd be on till lunchtime that day. And that would be on Monday through Thursday, and only on Fridays if it's unemployment report day, just to be able to see how it does. So we'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.